10-minute guided meditation for beginners. These next few moments are for you, and you may notice your mind wandering throughout, and that's okay. The goal of meditation is just to get better and better at becoming present and focusing your awareness and your thoughts and setting your intention, becoming the master of the mind. Make sure that you are comfortable. You may sit or lie down, either is fine. And it helps if you do close down your eyes to reduce any outward distractions. With meditation, you are cleansing, purifying your internal world. And as you know, your external world is often a mirror for what's happening internally. So let's take a few moments to clear that up, to make it beautiful, so that you can be free and do anything that your heart desires. Bring your awareness in this moment to the rise and fall of your chest, and if it helps, place your left hand on your chest and your right hand on your belly, and feel the sensation, the natural pattern of your breath. Don't force it, just observe it. Observing without attachment is one of the keys to happiness. Focus your attention on your breath. With each meditation that you do, you will notice that you get better and better at identifying and controlling a wandering mind, increasing your focus and alertness, your attention. Those that can harness their attention often see the best results in their life. So take a moment to express appreciation to yourself for making this time. Good. Now with each breath, I want you to imagine letting go of judgment, relaxing, releasing any tension that you're holding in your muscles. And start at the top of your head and make your way down to the tips of your toes. Visualize in as much detail as you can. And if your mind wanders, that's okay. That's part of the process. Gently and lovingly bring it back. Very well. Ensure that your jaw and your face are relaxed. Often we hold the most tension in our faces, in our neck and our shoulders. Release that tension now. Now think of a time in which you were filled with immense joy and happiness. And visualize that experience in as much detail as you can. Put it at the forefront of your mind. You will carry these good feelings with you throughout the remainder of your day and your night and into your sleep. Set an intention for yourself for the next 24 hours. What sort of state of mind do you want to be in? What do you want to accomplish? It's entirely up to you, but set that intention right now. Bring your awareness back to the rise and fall of your chest and notice that brief moment of stillness at the top of the breath and the bottom of the breath. Now I want you to remind yourself that you are exactly where you need to be and you are doing the best you can. I am exactly where I need to be and I am doing the best that I can. I am exactly where I need to be and I am doing the best that I can. Repeat that to yourself or out loud. You are light, and you are loved. You are all of these things and more. And with that, I'll meet you back here tomorrow for our next meditation.